All right, man, here it is, you know what I'm saying? HUC episode 7. Your boy Jay Wall, the Great Wall, a.k.a. Fresh Marley Jenkins. And I just want to thank everybody out there who's been staying tuned and watching every episode and sharing and liking and all that. You know what I mean? It doesn't go unnoticed. We got maybe one or a few more episodes, and we're going to call that season 1. We're going to go back to the drawing board and come back with season 2, bigger and better. You know what I mean? But we got the boy Donahue, Nitty, and King. Let's get it.
Royal bloodline, man, I'm your majesty. You ever want this rap catastrophe, man, you just ask for me. My moment, it has to be. Set the bar high for all these people coming after me. Ain't no hoe niggas in my faculty, man, actually right back into my past life. When I was struggling to make it, living fast, right? And I was back rubs from the wifey, never asked twice. And if I do, then I make sure she get the act right. Told y'all motherfuckers that it's only Frankie, baby. I'm spitting worse than Rottweiler, but rabies, plus the 90s maybe. Baby mama crazy, in LA I be groovy, in NY I be wavy. Detroit I keep the D just for the ladies, man, you know me. And hip hop's my house party, where bitches camping for me. And if you mess with my shorty, J Wall just passed the 40. These labels can't afford me, these labels can't extort me.
Yeah.
I treat them Berry Gordy, cause I'm so Motown.
Hella rappers wanna quote me, the one like Obi Kenobi, spitting on trophies. Careful if you try to approach me. Nigga, I ain't getting no sleep, grinding every day of the week, plus weekends. Cats going off the deep end. Boys need a swimming lesson. Mental perfection when I'm off the top of my mind. Never dropping a dime, unless it's loose change, holes in the pocket. Shows I be losing control up in the mosh pit. Stop it, serving up any nigga anytime. Fuck that, give me mine. Buck back, send me 9. Better off trying to summon up a fucking Digimon. Big Willie style, cause I get jiggy, huh? Bitches in the city that's pretty, show me they titties, huh? They say they love the